Okay, now let's gonna continue with strings methods. Let's gonna use the same program. Input, enter your name. Okay. So what happens if when you run that, you enter, for example, Evelyn. Okay? Okay. See the string here. We have 1, 2, 3 E's, right? Okay. What happens if you want to replace all the E's? For example, name. The strings have a lot of functions. If you type dot, you're gonna see all the functions that are in the string. Okay? So now you can type replace. And inside replace, you're gonna type the letter that you're gonna replace. And comma, you're gonna put now the new letter. Okay? So replace is gonna try to find this character, and it's gonna replace this character with a new character here. So let's gonna run it. So I'm gonna type, for example, Evelyn, and see what happened. All the E's were replaced with E, but uppercase. Okay, first function, replace. But also replace have another another option. Dot replace. Okay. Search the letter E. Replace for is uppercase, but only one. What? Let me run and you're gonna understand that. Okay. The first one replace all the lower keys to uppercase is. The second one, do the same thing, but count one means that you're gonna replace only one. So the first one that you found here. Found an E, replace the E lowercase to uppercase, and then the rest is not gonna be modified because you type count one. Okay, let me type count two. We're gonna replace two E's. So the last one is not gonna be replaced. Okay, just to clarify, it's gonna use country. See the difference? This is replace. This is replace count one, count two, and count three. Okay, so replace method is really easy to understand. Practice. What else do I have here? Oh, fine. Fine. So it's gonna use the same thing here. Name that. Fine. Okay. Find the letter E. Let's gonna run. Zero. What means zero? Why one? Mm, mhm. Okay. What happened with if you use print name dot find the that what happened is the find method is gonna check what is the e here. Okay, what is the index for the letter E? 0. 0. It's gonna, well, we covered the replay, right? Now we're checking the find. 0. So you type, for example, -1. What's mean -1? That the find method didn't find any character E in the string Omar. Let me run again. Roberto. Robert. Okay. Index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Remember, we start the index at 0 always. So the character E is in the index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the find. Also, you can just find two parameters. Start at 1. Remember, everything. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. The find method displays different indexes. Why? The first one, remember, is going to display immediately when they found the letter E, the index. In this case, Evelyn, the E is in the index 0. But what happened with find? Two parameters. You're going to find the E, but as of the index 1. Oh, so what happened? You are not going to find the E. You're going to skip the first character because the index 0 is the first character. So index 0, you are not gonna find that. You're gonna start finding as of index 1, that is the letter V. So V, nothing. There is nothing in the letter V. Next one, E. Okay, I found that. What is the position for this letter E? 0, 1, 2. This is why you print 2. Okay, so this is the find method. There is a reverse. That reverse find. So what happened with the reverse find? Pretty much the same thing, but it's gonna search, start searching at the end, right? Let me try another name. Okay, now we have different outputs. The first find detect Evelyn, the first E is at the index 0. Perfect. The second one is going to start finding as of index 1, right? So index 1 here. So index 2, we found I and stop. Not going to continue finding another one. The last one is reverse find. It's going to check at the end. Oh, I found at the end I. What is the position for the index? It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is why you have this out. Let me see another. Oh, another method is print name the count. Count how many letters is are there. Evelyn. It's a 3. 1 is, 2 is, 3 is. Okay, this is the count. Let me see what else. Okay, basically these are the basic method. But how can you wanna compare strings? Okay. By name 1, name 2. Okay. Let me see. We are not learning branches yet. I'm gonna explain you a little bit. So next week is gonna be much better. You're gonna understand really easy that, but why I need branches? Selection. Because I need to compare strings now. So I wanna know if name 1 is equal to name 2. In order to do that, I need to add something new that I'm gonna explain in another chapter. But I need to use that now to compare strings. So yeah. So if you wanna compare something in programming, you're gonna use branches. If what? For example, let me see. If name 1 equal name 2, and then columns. Okay, what am I doing here? If whatever is inside the variable 1 is equal, as you see, I'm using 2 equal signs, right? Because you need to compare. Remember, 1 equal sign means assigning operator. 2 equal signs mean comparison. Okay? So if name 1 is equal to name 2, it's gonna print the prompt. Names. Okay. Indentation is important in Python. As you see, I have an indentation here. Now, else, print different names. Okay. So this program is simple. You receive one name, you receive another name, and then compare the names. If name 1 is equal to name 2, you display the message same names. Otherwise, so it means that the names are not the same, you're gonna display different names. Let's gonna test. Same names. Perfect. Run again. No, no. Different names. Yes, remember. Case sensitive, right? There are two different names. Okay, so this is the equal. You wanna compare. Let me see what else. Um, oh, I don't wanna teach you Boolean variables yet, but okay. Another example. Okay. See what is happening now. Okay. What am I doing here? If name one is greater than name two, so it's gonna compare according to the ASCII encoding, right? And it's gonna check which name alphabetic in the alphabet is greater than the other one. So let me show you one example. Enter your name, Omar. Enter other name, Omar. Omar is greater than Omar. This is how have the proper order in the ASCII table. So for example, Omar, Omar is greater than Evelyn. Let me run again. Alan, Omar. Omar is greater than Alan. Hmm. Omar back. Oh, wait a second. Name one, I type Alan. Name two is Omar. So Omar is greater than Alan. So what's happening here? If name one is greater than name two, I wanna print whatever is in name one is greater than name two. Now, this is what's happening. So if that is not true, else you're gonna execute the else. This is what is happening here. Alan is not greater than Omar. See, start with the letter A. Omar start with the letter O. So Omar is greater than Alan. This is why the first statement here, Alan is greater than Omar, false. If that is false, we skip this sentence here, this statement, and we execute whatever is in the else. What is in the else? Print Omar is greater than Alan. Okay, so if you want to compare, you can use the equal or greater than or less than. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh, there's some. Okay. Some special function that you can use. For example, okay, enter duration. Okay. Okay. Print h. Print h dot is digit. Okay. Enter duration. 29. True. What? Okay, what happened? Let me run again. Enter duration. Hmm. 10. False. Enter duration. 10. True. Okay. You notice what is happening, right? So the method is digit is gonna check what is inside the variable age. Okay, so it's gonna return true if all characters are numbers between 0 and 9. So if it detects a number, it's gonna display true. Is digit true? Let me run here. Enter your age. 10 years. False. Because 1 is correct, 0 is correct, y is not a digit. You run again. Take 4. True. It means that all the characters that you are receiving in the variable age are digit. Okay? You can use is lowercase. Input. Your name. Okay. And we can do is lowercase. Print is uppercase. There is something that is really useful. You can use to lowercase, to uppercase. For example, you want to display the whatever the user type in uppercase. So let's gonna run that. Enter your age. 10. True. It's digits. Perfect. Enter your name. Omar. False. Is lower? No, because one character was in uppercase. Is upper? False. No, because only O was in uppercase. And now two upper. Got it? So let's gonna run again. Enter your age. 12. True. Omar. Is lower? false. Is upper? True, yes. Everything to upper? Yeah, nothing because it's already in upper. Let me run again. Name Omar is lower. True. Sorry, true, right? Is uppercase? False. To upper. See that? Put everything to upper. Okay, so there are good function methods that you can use. Something that sometimes you have. One. Data from. I'm gonna print. Printf now is your best friend. So you can say hi, name, you are age, you are 20 years old. You are. Enter your age, 16. Enter. Well, we don't know. We don't know. We don't need this digit now. So enter your name. Hi, Omar. You are 16 years old. Perfect. Let me run again. 6. Wow. Hey, what happened? So what happened? I type Omar with some extra white spaces. So when you print the variable Omar, have that. Oh, so what can we do? Strip. So what happened with the strip? Let me show you. Hey, what happened? But I saw that you type, see? So why you didn't show the white spaces? Because I use strip. So what happened? We're gonna clear all the white spaces around the string. So you type h5 name. Hold on. No problem. But if you print the variable name, you're gonna notice the difference. H6. See how the variable. And then what's happening here? Looks fine without extra white spaces because we use this function. Okay, so let me see another important function. Yeah, I guess I covered the most important things. So practice this function method that are really useful with the when you use strings. Okay, thank you.